Hi, this is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and in a previous video, many of you had asked if I would show you how to make this cute little envelope pocket. It's really cute, and you make it out of a 6x6 piece of paper. So let's get started. I found the idea for this particular pocket on a sweet channel. The name of it is Septeria18. If you get a chance to check out her channel, I absolutely love her style of crafting and the way she teaches. And so I'll put the link in the description box below this video so you can go and check out her channel. And please show her some love and leave a comment letting her know that Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal sent you. So with that said, let me show you how to make this. So you're going to start with a 6x6 piece of paper. And all you want to do is fold it. And the nice thing is this is a double-sided sheet, so it's really cool if you have those double-sided 6x6 cardstock. Okay, so I'm going to just fold this up. So it makes this triangle. I'm going to use my bone folder today, but if you don't have one, that's okay. So I want to have a nice crease on this. Make sure I got that lined up. Okay. Okay, so now you've got this right here. Awesome. So now you're going to take it and you're going to fold it down here. Just like that. Just folding it right down here. You're bringing that point at the top, folding it down to here. Just straight down. Okay, so now you're going to unfold it. So that's what you have. And you got a crease there. So now you're going to take your corners and you're going to bring one up to here, just like that, and fold. I told you this was super easy. Then you're going to take the other one and bring it over. So you're just taking it and bringing it right to the crease right there. And you're going to fold that. Okay. So this is your top. This is your bottom and your side. So now you're just going to bring this in, and you're going to take one of these and fold it down like this. I'm just going to make myself a little crease there. And look at that. You're all done. Look how easy that was. And if you want, you can put some glue under there, but you don't really have to. And so now you can start attaching stuff to it. I wanted to attach my embellishment to it since I had made a bunch of embellishments. And you can make all of these cute little ideas. Let's see what I want on here. I can either do that with the green. I think I'm just going to use this by itself. Yep. And of course my glue is stuck there. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this again. All right, so that's one of the embellishments I made, and we're going to just add some glue here and pop it right on there. I think this would be great for like some cute little party favors. This would be nice for a Happy Mail too. So what I was thinking was with these, you can actually take your tags and send some Happy Mail. These are just some tags that I've had before. Just put some cutesy little tags in there. Maybe throw a couple of embellishments and send them off to an artsy friend. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Okay, let me show you what else I did. I made this yellow one so you can color coordinate depending on if you're having a party and you want to have something to give. You want to have it color coordinated. You can take this and put one of the rosettes you make on here. And maybe you want to put a tea bag in here. You could put candy. Imagine a Christmas inspired pocket envelope. I think that would be really cute. Just giving you a couple of ideas. Let's see what else we have. Oh, look at this. Here's one where I love the two-sided paper, and I had some 12 by 12 paper that I cut down, and so I had some Dollar Tree stickers, and I was like, you know what, this actually matches really good. This is some little magnetic bookmarks, and so I can take this and just kind of add that to, or maybe put it up here. Let's see what happens when I put it up here. To add a little extra something. Put it on there, maybe something like that, just to give you a couple of ideas. And then I started playing around with sizes on these. Maybe some smaller sizes, like some 5 by 5 papers, or maybe even smaller. Look at this one. I put a rosette on here, and this had the white backing on it, but you can always decorate it if you want. And put a little tag in there. Look how adorable that is. So many different uses for these. So look how super easy it was. I know y'all are going to get to work doing some of these. You can make a bunch of these just in a couple of hours. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. Look how adorable these look. Let me make sure you can see all of them. Here's another one I made, and it's a little bit narrower. I just kind of played around with the folds, and now if I want, I can add another embellishment to this, and it just makes some really neat decorations. So I hope this helped you. Go over to Septeria 18's channel so you can see not only this idea, but she's got a lot of other wonderful ideas on her channel. I really enjoyed watching it and watching her style of crafting. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.